Have you ever looked up at the night sky and marveled at the celestial dance of the moon and Earth? Lunar eclipses are not just stunning, they're packed with fascinating science, history, and myths that will leave you in awe. From blood moons to cosmic alignments, these events have captured our imagination for centuries. Curious to learn what makes lunar eclipses so special? Join us as we explore 10 cool things about lunar eclipses that will change how you see the night sky. The moon turns red. One of the most iconic features of a lunar eclipse is the dramatic transformation of the moon into a reddish hue, commonly known as a blood moon. This happens during a total lunar eclipse when Earth blocks direct sunlight from reaching the moon. The light that does reach the moon passes through Earth's atmosphere, scattering blue light and leaving red and orange hues to bathe the moon's surface. The intensity of the red color can vary depending on atmospheric conditions, such as volcanic eruptions or wildfires. When there's a lot of dust or particles in the air, the moon can appear a darker, more coppery red. Without such interference, it might glow in a lighter shade of orange. This makes each blood moon unique, a celestial fingerprint of Earth's atmospheric conditions at the time. For centuries, blood moons have sparked myths and legends. Ancient civilizations often saw them as omens of significant events, from the fall of empires to the end of the world. Today we know it's all about physics, but the eerie red glow still captures our imagination. If you've never seen a blood moon in person, you're missing one of nature's most incredible spectacles. Mark your calendars for the next lunar eclipse and prepare to witness the moon in its fiery glory. It's a sight you'll never forget. You can safely watch it without equipment. Unlike solar eclipses, where protective eyewear is essential, lunar eclipses are entirely safe to watch with the naked eye. You can simply step outside and enjoy the celestial show without any special tools. The best part? You don't need to travel far. As long as the eclipse is visible from your location, your backyard can serve as your viewing spot. Telescopes and binoculars can enhance the experience, revealing details of the moon's surface as it transitions through the Earth's shadow. With a bit of magnification, you can see craters and ridges dimming under the Earth's penumbra and umbra. It's like having a front row seat to a cosmic ballet. Lunar eclipses are also highly accessible. They can be seen from anywhere on the night side of Earth, provided the skies are clear. Unlike solar eclipses, which follow a narrow path of totality, lunar eclipses offer a wide viewing area, making it a more inclusive astronomical event. Gather some friends, set up a few lawn chairs, and enjoy the show. Whether you're using a telescope or just your eyes, the beauty of a lunar eclipse is that it's a spectacular event anyone can enjoy, hassle-free. 3 types of lunar eclipses. Lunar eclipses come in 3 varieties: total, partial, and penumbral, each with its unique features and levels of visibility. A total lunar eclipse is the most dramatic, as Earth's umbra completely covers the moon, creating the iconic blood moon effect. This is the kind of eclipse that often draws skywatchers in droves. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when only a portion of the moon enters Earth's umbra. The result is a moon with a darkened bite, as if a cosmic shadow is slowly consuming it. While less striking than a total eclipse, partial eclipses still provide a fascinating view of celestial mechanics in action. A penumbral lunar eclipse is the most subtle and often goes unnoticed by casual observers. In this case, the moon passes through the Earth's penumbra, causing a faint shadow that slightly dims the moon's brightness. Penumbral eclipses are best appreciated with cameras or telescopes capable of detecting subtle changes in light. Understanding these types enhances your appreciation of how lunar eclipses work. No matter which type graces your skies, each one offers a unique perspective on our planet's interaction with the moon and sun. Lunar eclipses last longer than solar eclipses. If you've ever found yourself wishing an eclipse would last longer, lunar eclipses are your answer. Unlike solar eclipses, which are fleeting and last only a few minutes, lunar eclipses can linger for hours. This extended duration makes them perfect for leisurely viewing and even photography sessions. The reason for this lies in Earth's size. As Earth casts a much larger shadow than the moon, it takes longer for the moon to pass through it. A total lunar eclipse can last up to 1 hour and 40 minutes, while the entire event, including partial phases, can span over 5 hours. This extra time allows skywatchers to enjoy every stage of the eclipse, from the first shadow to the breathtaking blood moon and back again. For photographers, it's an excellent opportunity to capture the transition in stunning detail, creating time-lapse videos or composite images. Whether you're a seasoned stargazer or a curious first-timer, the leisurely pace of a lunar eclipse offers a rare chance to soak in the beauty of the cosmos without feeling rushed. A global phenomenon across cultures. Lunar eclipses have fascinated civilizations for centuries, inspiring myths, legends, and cultural traditions worldwide. In many ancient cultures, eclipses were seen as supernatural events. For example, in Norse mythology, a lunar eclipse was believed to be caused by a wolf named Hati chasing and attempting to devour the moon. Meanwhile, the Incas thought a jaguar was attacking the moon, and they would make loud noises to scare it away. In Chinese folklore, lunar eclipses were linked to the celestial dragon swallowing the moon. Drums and firecrackers were often used to frighten the dragon and save the moon. Similarly, in India, traditional beliefs suggest that eclipses occur when the demon Rahu captures the moon, only to release it after being decapitated by Vishnu. These myths highlight humanity's imaginative attempts to explain celestial events before modern science. Today, lunar eclipses are often celebrated as educational and communal events. From ancient rituals to modern star parties, these phenomena continue to bring people together, transcending cultural boundaries. Planetariums and astronomical societies often host viewing events, using them as opportunities to teach the public about the science of eclipses. What makes these shared experiences even more special is the way they connect us to our ancestors, who also marveled at the moon's transformation. Whether through ancient stories or modern science, the universal wonder of a lunar eclipse reminds us of our place in the cosmos. The moon's role in predicting eclipses. Understanding the lunar cycle is key to predicting when lunar eclipses will occur. The moon orbits Earth every 27.3 days, but eclipses don't happen monthly because of the moon's tilted orbit. Its path is inclined about 5 degrees relative to Earth's orbital plane, meaning it usually passes above or below Earth's shadow. Lunar eclipses only happen during a full moon when the Earth, moon, and sun align perfectly in what astronomers call a syzygy. This alignment occurs roughly 2 to 5 times a year, though not all are total eclipses. By studying these cycles, astronomers developed precise methods to forecast eclipses even thousands of years into the future. One fascinating system used historically is the Saros cycle, a period of approximately 18 years, 11 days, and 8 hours. Ancient Babylonians discovered that after this interval, nearly identical lunar and solar eclipses would recur, making it possible to predict future eclipses accurately. Today, space agencies and observatories use advanced tools and software to provide detailed information about upcoming eclipses, including their timing, duration, and visibility. With this knowledge, we can prepare to witness these awe-inspiring events and better understand the celestial mechanics that make them possible. The connection between lunar and solar eclipses. Did you know that lunar and solar eclipses often occur in pairs? When a lunar eclipse takes place, there's a good chance a solar eclipse happened about 2 weeks earlier, or will occur 2 weeks later. This is because the alignment needed for an eclipse usually persists long enough to produce both events within a single eclipse season. Eclipse seasons occur twice a year, lasting about 34 days each. During this time, the moon's orbit intersects Earth's orbital plane, making eclipses possible. When the moon passes through Earth's shadow, a lunar eclipse occurs. Conversely, a solar eclipse happens when the moon casts its shadow on Earth. Despite their shared origin, these two phenomena are dramatically different. Lunar eclipses are visible from anywhere on Earth's night side, while solar eclipses are limited to a narrow path of totality. Additionally, while lunar eclipses are safe to watch with the naked eye, solar eclipses require protective gear. These paired events highlight the interconnectedness of celestial mechanics. Witnessing both a solar and a lunar eclipse within the same season is a unique reminder of the intricate dance between Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. Lunar eclipses and scientific discoveries. Throughout history, lunar eclipses have played a vital role in advancing scientific knowledge. As early as 300 BCE, the Greek philosopher Aristotle used lunar eclipses to demonstrate that Earth is round. He observed that Earth's shadow on the moon during an eclipse was always circular no matter the moon's position in the sky. Lunar eclipses have also helped astronomers refine their understanding of the moon's distance from Earth. In the 19th century, astronomers timed how long it took for the moon to pass through Earth's shadow, using this information to calculate its orbital speed and distance. These measurements were remarkably accurate, even without modern tools. In recent decades, lunar eclipses have become opportunities for space exploration. Scientists analyze the sunlight refracted through Earth's atmosphere during an eclipse to study its composition. This technique helps researchers understand the conditions that might affect planets with atmospheres similar to Earth's. From ancient discoveries to cutting-edge research, lunar eclipses continue to inspire curiosity and drive scientific exploration. They remind us that even the simplest observations can lead to profound insights about our universe. Eclipses are visible to the naked eye on other worlds. Lunar eclipses are not unique to Earth. Other planets with moons experience similar phenomena, though they might look quite different depending on the planet's atmosphere, the size of its shadow, and the distance to its moon. On Mars, for example, its two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, frequently pass through the planet's shadow, creating mini eclipses known as transits. Because these moons are much smaller than our moon, the events are subtle but still observable from the Martian surface. NASA's rovers have captured these transits, giving us a glimpse of how eclipses look from another planet. Jupiter, with its four largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto, offers some of the most dramatic eclipses in the solar system. These moons regularly pass through Jupiter's enormous shadow, creating stunning displays visible through telescopes. The interplay between Jupiter's moons and its shadow has also provided valuable data for understanding orbital dynamics. These extraterrestrial eclipses remind us that celestial alignments are a universal phenomenon, offering unique perspectives on planetary systems beyond our own. They are a cosmic connection that ties our sky to the skies of other worlds. The future of lunar eclipse exploration. As technology continues to advance, lunar eclipses are becoming more than just visual spectacles. They're gateways to deeper scientific exploration. In the future, scientists hope to use these events to better understand Earth's atmosphere, climate, and even distant exoplanets. One of the most promising areas of research involves using eclipses to study Earth's atmospheric composition. By analyzing the light refracted through our atmosphere during a lunar eclipse, researchers can detect changes in gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. This information helps track climate change and refine models of Earth's atmospheric behavior. Lunar eclipses also provide a testing ground for methods used in the search for habitable planets. By simulating the light conditions seen during an eclipse, scientists can better understand how to detect biosignatures, indicators of life, on exoplanets. The techniques refined during lunar eclipses may one day help identify worlds capable of supporting life. As humanity prepares for lunar exploration and potential colonization, eclipses will play a key role in understanding the moon's environment. These events offer a unique perspective on the Earth-Moon system, paving the way for discoveries that could shape the future of space exploration. And there you have it, 6 more incredible insights into the wonder of lunar eclipses. From inspiring cultural stories to driving groundbreaking science, these celestial events are truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, keep exploring the universe with us, one starry night at a time.